Hello everyone, welcome to the 100th episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures we'll be taking an adventure walking on the Santa Monica Pier in Santa Monica, California. That is right, in this episode of Alex's Adventures we'll be taking a walking tour on the Santa Monica Pier and see what this pier has to offer. So here it is. Here is the Santa Monica Pier, the famous Santa Monica Pier in Grand Theft Auto 5. Any gamer that plays GTA knows this pier really well. So here is the first building. This is the merry-go-round building. You can see the merry-go-round building. And here is the seaside on the pier. And other restaurants that is on the pier. Here you can walk down to the pier and see what you can find. So here's the road leading into the pier. As we go ahead and pan to our right, you can find parking spots here. But here is the Santa Monica Pier itself. Here you have this restaurant, this iconic restaurant, Bubba Gump. There he has several kiosks here that sells all types of goods, such as souvenirs. And here is the small police station on the pier, which is also featured in GTA, Grand Theft Auto 5 that is. This pier has been featured in many video games. Like I said, Grand Theft Auto 5, Midnight Club Los Angeles, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, True Crime Streets of LA. So there are many video games that took reference and inspiration from this pier. Here you can also get a picture of Route 66 and of the trail, Route 66, that leads from Chicago to here in Santa Monica, California. As we continue to walk down the pier, here are some spectacular views. You can also enjoy some live entertainment, street entertainment that is. Here's the Playland Arcade. Several last remaining arcades on California's piers. Here on the Santa Monica Pier, this is a popular tourist destination, as you can see here. Here you have several souvenir stores. And if you played Grand Theft Auto 5, it has Rockstar Games, who created GTA 5, made a perfect representation of the real-life Santa Monica Pier. So here's Pacific Park, which is an amusement park on the Santa Monica Pier. And we have the iconic Ferris wheel. Look at this there. Here's a different angle of the entrance to Pacific Park. Let's go ahead and check what we have here inside Pacific Park, which has several amusement rides and some games where you can win prizes. Here you have several eating establishments. And there is the roller coaster that is also featured in GTA 5, where you can also get on it in a video game. Here are several games see there. Ride tickets. This is where you go up to this kiosk and buy some tickets to ride some rides. Here are the prices. Yeah, you can see there. And yeah. So that is where you purchase your ride tickets to ride one of many rides here that you see here. Here you have several games and we're even doing some prizes. Here we have more amusement rides. Here are some rides for smaller kids. And we have this Popcornopolis. And yeah. So let's take a look what we have inside the Playland arcade. Here you can play some air hockey and foosball. And we have several arcade games where you can tickets and the prizes with your tickets that you want. Riding skills. View above at the Santa Monica skyline. And over there is Malibu. Such a beautiful day beyond the Santa Monica Pier. Here you can see the beach and the Pacific Ocean. And the popular beaches in California. So here's another view of the Santa Monica Pier. This is a perfect location to take your photos. There's a view looking south of the coastline. There's a view at the end of the pier. Let's go down there. So here's the harbor office.
Yeah, we're gonna take my home.
This end of the pier is where you can dine at the end of the pier. Here you have this gift store, this gift shop in Route 66 where you buy souvenirs here. Here we have more live music. And at the end of this pier, this is a perfect spot to watch the sunset, as you see right there. Yeah, so that is the beautiful Santa Monica Pier. I hope you enjoyed the beautiful sights and sounds of the Santa Monica Pier in Santa Monica, California. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this pier. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.